How can I make a 10 by 10 bedroom feel more spacious?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue: how to make a small bedroom feel more spacious. A 10 by 10 room might seem cramped, but with the right strategies, you can make it feel like a spacious sanctuary. Let's dive into the world of design and maximize our space.
Light is your best friend.
Light, both natural and artificial, is one of the most powerful tools to make a room feel larger. Large windows, light wall colors, and well-placed lamps can make a significant difference. 1. Maximize natural light. If you have windows, use sheer curtains or blinds that allow in lots of light. The more natural light, the more open your space will feel. 2. Light wall colors. Lighter shades reflect more light, making the room feel bigger and brighter. Consider painting your walls a light, neutral color. 3. Well-placed artificial light. Make sure to have multiple light sources around the room. This reduces shadows that can make a room feel smaller.
Clever use of mirrors.
Mirrors are not only decorative, they also expand your space visually. Strategically placing mirrors can create an illusion of depth. 1. Large wall mirror. Consider installing a large mirror on one of your walls. This will double the perceived space. 2. Mirrored closet doors. If you have a closet in your room, mirrored doors can serve a dual purpose.
Furniture choices and placement.
Furniture can eat up a lot of space, but there are ways to use it to your advantage. 1. Multi-purpose furniture. Opt for furniture that has more than one function. A bed with drawers underneath, for instance, can eliminate the need for a dresser. 2. Proportional furniture. Avoid oversized furniture. Everything should be to scale with your room. 3. Floating shelves. These are a great alternative to bulky bookcases. They give you storage without taking up floor space. 4. Placement. Place larger pieces against walls to open up the room.
Declutter.
A cluttered room always feels smaller. Keep things neat and tidy. This doesn't mean you can't have personal items, but make sure everything has a place. 1. Minimalism. Embrace the concept of less is more. Fewer items mean more space. 2. Regular decluttering. Make a habit of regularly sorting through your items and donating what you no longer need. So, there you have it. With these tips, you can transform your 10 by 10 bedroom into a place that feels more spacious. Remember, it's all about light, mirrors, clever furniture use, and decluttering. Have fun recreating your space and enjoy your new, roomier bedroom.